Hi everybody, it's Karen Combs. I'm here at Quilt Week. We are doing the Ice Crystals class, and I wanted to show you a little tip about using ombre fabrics. Normally when you see an ombre, they are printed selvage to selvage with the gradation. But what we don't want to do is fold it selvage to cut it, because we'd be cutting across the gradation. Well, we want to cut with the gradation. So what I'm going to do instead is fold it with the selvage. So if you're using ombres, that's something to take a look at and see how you need to fold it to get the best use of the fabric. I also want to show you a little tip about cutting strips that I learned years ago that has helped me whenever I'm cutting with my rotary tools. Normally, you see people putting their hand right on the middle of the ruler. Well, that just slips everywhere. So what I do instead, I'm going to hold my hand up so you can see it. I put the edge of my finger and my hand on the ruler. So now when I go to cut, all of that surface of my hand is holding the ruler. So when I cut, it doesn't slip. So that's a little tip that may help you when you're cutting your strips.